Restoration. Here we have a David Brown Cropmaster tractor steering wheel. As you can see, it's coming in two parts. The spokes have completely torn out of the rim, and the rim itself is rusty and cracking. And what we'll do is just remove all the original Bakelite from that, and if the metal works good enough, which it probably will be, we'll re-weld these spokes back on to the inner rim, and then we'll put it in a mold and recreate the original shape of the steering wheel. We'll also clean the cap up here and the boss area, but to be concluded.